Good morning, kids. Today we will try to understand ordering of 3 digits numbers. Ordering means arranging of 3 digits number. You have already learned arranging or ordering of 2 digits number, and today we will try to understand how to order a 3 digit numbers. As we all know, ordering we can do by two ways, either in ascending order or in descending order. Ascending order means ordering or arranging the numbers from the smallest to the largest number. Okay, when we arrange the number starting from the smallest and reach to the largest number, then this is called ascending order. Or also we can compare, as I explained earlier, that we can compare the ascending order with climbing up a ladder. As while we are climbing up a ladder, we start from the lowest step and climb up and reach to the highest step. Okay, so climbing up a ladder can be compared with the ascending order. Just like here, these numbers are arranged in ascending order as the next number is greater than the previous number. Just like here, or you can also say the previous number is always smaller than the next number, smaller than its next number. 5 is smaller than the 7, 7 is smaller than 17, 17 is smaller than 22, and 22 is smaller than 56. So here these numbers are arranged. We started from the smallest number and we reached to the largest number at last. While arranging the numbers in descending order is ordering or arranging the numbers from the largest to the smallest number. That means we started from the largest number and reached to the smallest number. Or also we can compare the descending order by stepping down. Okay, as we stepping down from a ladder, we always start from the highest step. ओके जब भी हम सीढ़ी से नीचे उतरते हैं, हम लोग सबसे पहले हाईएस्ट स्टेप पे रहते हैं, एंड देन वी मूव डाउन एंड एट लास्ट वी रीच टू द लोएस्ट स्टेप. सो ascending order can be compared by climbing up a ladder, whereas descending order can be compared with the stepping down from the ladder. And here is the example of arrangement of descending order, as we started from the largest, then smaller and reached to the smallest number at last. So let us understand this more clearly with some examples. So here I am going to solve a question from your book. Arrange the number in ascending orders. So here these 6 numbers I have taken and we have to arrange. These are not arranged in ascending order, so we have to arrange these number. We have to arrange this number in ascending order. So as ascending order means climbing up. Always remember, climbing up. We start from the lowest and reach to the highest. So here we need to follow the tricks which we have learned while comparing the numbers. मैंने जो 3 ट्रिक्स आपको बताया था पिछले क्लास में, जब किसी 2 नंबर को कंपेयर करना होता है, हम उन्हीं 3 ट्रिक को here we will use those 3 tricks. The first trick was, first of all, we count the number of digits in each number. Since here we have 3 digits, 1, 2, 3. Here also we have 3 3 3. That means in all the numbers we have 3 digits. Total number of digits in all the numbers are 3. So if the number of digits are same, then we follow the second trick. And the second trick is we compare the first digit or 100 place digit of each number. So for that we can also put the places for each digit in all numbers. 1s, 10s, 100, 1s, 10s, 100, 1s, 10s, 100 and 1s, 10s, 100. So first digit, that means 100 place digit. Okay. So second trick is we compare the 100 place digit of each number. And remember always that we will write down the smaller number first. हमेशा हम छोटे नंबर को पहले लिखेंगे. So at first place we have here 8, 8, 2, 6, 6 and 6. So among all these first digit, we can easily find out which one is the smallest. 2. Okay. So 2 is the smaller because the number with the smallest first digit will be smaller. जिस नंबर का पहला डिजिट छोटा है वो नंबर भी सबसे छोटा होगा. So here in arranging these number in ascending order, the smallest one is 254. So we will write down this number first. Now we have circled this number. I have circled this number only because it will be easier now for me या for all of us to compare rest of the numbers. अगर हम इसको circle कर देंगे तो अब हमें इस number को ध्यान नहीं देना है. We will only think about these 5 numbers now. So now here 8 we have and here also 8 and here we have 6, 6, 6. So obviously these 3 number will come first. These number will come here and these the numbers with 8 at its 100 place digit will go later. We will write down it later. तो इन तीनों नंबर में से इन तीनों नंबर क्योंकि ये 6 के साथ है. Now which one will be the smallest? इन तीनों में से भी कौन सबसे छोटा होगा, है ना? Since all these 3 numbers are having 6 at its 100 place digit, तीनों में 100 place का digit same है. तो now we will follow the third trick. That is we compare the tens place digit. अब हम इन तीनों numbers के tens place digit को compare करेंगे. तो यहाँ tens place में 3, 1, 3. Always remember that we will write down the smaller number first because we are arranging these number in ascending order. तो ascending में हमेशा छोटे को पहले लिखते हैं. So 3, 3 and 1. So we can easily find out that the number with 1 as your tens place digit will be smaller. So here we will write down 611. Okay. Now among between these two numbers 631, 632. अब इन दोनों numbers में से कौन छोटा होगा, है ना? We have to find out which one is the smaller. It's very easy. First digit, second digit यानी 100 place digit और 10 place digit दोनों में same है 63, 63. So after that we will compare the ones place digit. So here we have 1, here we have 2. So which one will be smaller? It's easy. That 631 will be smaller and then we will write down 632. So we have written this number also, we have written this number also in arrangement. Now we have left only these two numbers. That means we have to find out which one is smaller between these two numbers. So again, since the first digit or the 100 place digit of both the number are same, so next we will compare these two number by comparing the tens place digit of both the number. इसका भी tens place को और इसका भी tens place के digit को compare करेंगे. And which one is the smaller? Yes, this. The number with the smaller tens place digit will be smaller. So here we will write down 859 and at last we will write down 881. Okay, by this way children you can compare, or you can arrange the number in ascending order by comparing them. So 254 is smaller than 611. 611 is smaller than 631. 631 is smaller than 632. 632 is smaller than 859, and 859 is smaller than 881. Now children, let us arrange the numbers. Let us solve one more question, and here we will arrange the numbers in descending order. Okay, so here we have arranged the number in ascending order, and here we will arrange these numbers in descending. Just we will do opposite what we have done in arranging the number in ascending order. जो भी हमने ascending order के लिए किया, just उसका उल्टा करना है. There we have arranged, we write down the smaller one first and then the bigger number, but here we will choose the greatest or the largest number first and write the smaller, then smaller next. So first we follow the first trick, that is we count the number of digits. So here in all the number again we have 3 digits. Okay, so after the first trick we follow the second trick, that is we compare the first digit in each number. So for that we should always write down the places for each digit in all the numbers. 1 tens 100, 1 tens 100, 1 tens 100 again. Okay, it always make the अगर आप 1 tens 100 हमेशा लिखोगे बेटा तो आपको कभी गलती होने का कोई चांस नहीं रहेगा. So now let us compare the first digit of all the numbers. So here we have 2, 4, 2, 4, 5, 1. Okay, and since we have to arrange these numbers in descending order, so for arranging the descending order we choose the largest number first. We write the largest number first. So 2, 4, 2, 4, 5, 1. Which one is the largest? 2, 4, 2, 4, 5. Yes, 5 is the largest number. The number with greatest, or the number with greater first digit will be greater. So at first children, here we will write down 576. Since we have written this, we have arranged this, so we can circle it. It will be easier. Now we have to choose these 5 numbers. Among these 5 numbers, which one is the greatest number? Now 2, 4, 2, 4, 1. So 1 is the smallest one. So we will write down this 196 at last. इसको तो last में लिखना है. But here 4, 4. The numbers with 4 as its 100th place will be greater. लेकिन यहाँ 490 है और यहाँ it is 409. तो इन दोनों में से भी कौन बड़ा है? So we have to write down the greater number between these two numbers. We have to find out the greater between these two numbers. So here we have 490, we have 4 at 100 place, here also we have 4 at 100 place. तो अगर 100 place का digit और the first digit same होता है तो हम लोग second digit यानी 10th place के digit को compare करेंगे. So here we have 9 and here we have 0. यहाँ 9 है, यहाँ 0, तो obviously 9 बड़ा होगा 0 से. That means 490 will be greater than the 409. So here we will write down 490 and we will circle this number, and after 490, 409 we will write down. So we will circle this also number. Now we have left these 3 number, 260, 234, 196. Since 1 जो है 100 प्लेस पे 1 सबसे छोटा है इसलिए इसको हम लास्ट में लिखेंगे. नाउ वी हैव टू कंपेयर और वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट विच वन इज greater between these two number 260 and 234. So as the first digit of both the number are same, so we compare them by comparing the tens place digit. So here we have 6 and here we have 3. While we are arranging the number in descending order, children, always keep it in your mind that we have to write down the bigger number first, always. So 260 will be greater, है ना, क्योंकि इसके टेंस प्लेस का डिजिट बड़ा है इसके टेंस प्लेस के डिजिट से, है ना, और 100 प्लेस का डिजिट दोनों का सेम है, तो हम टेंस प्लेस से कंपेयर करेंगे तो इसका बड़ा है. सो 260 will be greater, and then we will write on 234. And so we have written these two number also, we have arranged these two number also. Now this is the last one number 196. So here we have arranged these number in descending order as we started from the greatest number and reached to the smallest number at last. And here 576 is greater than the 490, 490 is greater than the 409, 409 is greater than 260, 260 is greater than 234, and 234 is greater than 196. So all of you will do the arranging the numbers by this way, children.